Hello, Christine. Well, Troyer himself was sitting in his office during today's hearing, leaving his attorney, Ann Bremner, to announce that Troyer was tested twice today, and one of those tests came back with a faint line for COVID positivity. That piece of information was enough to delay jury selection proceedings here at the courthouse. Now, after Bremner announced that Troyer had tested positive for COVID-19, the morning was spent deciding how to proceed with juror selections. Troyer's attorneys argued that Troyer had a right to be present and the proceedings should be delayed until he was well enough to attend. Meanwhile, the Attorney General's office insisted that the court stay on schedule. And after a brief recess, prosecutors requested the court reconvene to hear from the nurse who administered the tests and include her testimony on the record after hearing from the nurse that the second test contradicted the first.
You gave him a second test. How long did you wait in between tests?
Correct. It was probably about 10 minutes between.
And why did you give him two?
To clarify the results of the first one.
Okay. And what was the second result?
The second one was negative.
Now, the Attorney General's office has called for a PCR test to be done in order to verify Troyer's health status. The court has agreed and is hoping to get those results sometime tomorrow morning. Troyer is currently facing one count of false reporting and another count of making a false or misleading claim to a public servant, both of which he has pleaded not guilty. But for now, we're live at the Pierce County Courthouse. Lionel Donovan, King 5 News.